Hello YouTube, it is I, Devontae Graves, back again with another video. Today we're going to talk about a couple of different things because with the last year being broke plan, the main thing is once you get started with League Lightning is getting as much actual realistic real eyeballs to your capture page, this page right here, as possible. Okay, and you can even track those links so you can know who's coming. And so let's say one day 10 people come in one day, and okay, the next day you're going to want to strive for a 12 or 15 views per day, and then just keep on adding to that total. But with this online marketing thing, you want to be true to yourself, and you want to put yourself out there for the world to see, because people don't buy into programs. People buy into people they like, know, and trust. So when you're putting yourself out there, when you're being honest with your people and you telling your story, people will buy into that because they feel like they can relate to you in a certain way. Because you see me, if I was running paid traffic, you don't want to send your traffic, your paid traffic, to this link. You want to have this capture page, the generic website capture page, because there's no flavor into this. So that's why you don't see me buying traffic and sending paid traffic to this website, because it's generic. And when you're getting traffic, so when you buying traffic, it's cold people, so they don't know who you are. So when you buy traffic, you want to put yourself out there. Okay, you want to. So here's what I would say. I would say, hey, my name is Devontae. I am a 23-year-old college dropout. You know, I seen the online marketing thing 2 years ago, and I wanted to better myself, and I wanted to be my own boss. And I happened to know a guy who was a former Marine. He paid off 6 figures of debt in about 9 months, and that was 2 years ago. And he is still maintaining his income. Me personally, I am in contact with this guy. I can get a hold of him, and if you want to know what we are doing, click on the link below. Okay, that's how you would introduce yourself if you're just starting out, because you don't have a success story yet, because you're new. You haven't made 6 figures yet because you're new. So you want to incorporate your mentors and the people that you know that are doing the same thing that you wish to do, and incorporate those people's stories into your own story, like I just did. Okay, and so that would be one way you would promote yourself and your programs to a cold traffic, meaning when you pay for traffic, that is your introduction. Okay, because you want to tell your story first. And so people say, hey, I like this guy, let's see what he's doing. And then after that, after you tell your story, then you promote, then the link to the League Lightning comes in, or whatever program that you in. Your story comes first, then the replicated website. Not the replicated website, then your story. That doesn't correlate, because like I said before, people don't buy into programs. They buy into people that they like and trust. So with that being said, put yourself out there. Don't be afraid. Okay? And I would also like to tell you guys to add me on Facebook, because when you add me on Facebook, I will put you into the same group that I was just mentioning, with the guy with the Marine who's earning 6 figures of debt. He paid off he paid off his child support in 9 months, and that was 6 figures of child support, and he paid the debt off in 9 months. So, and he has a Facebook group that I'm in, and because of that, I am really, because I wasn't lying. I can contact this guy anytime I want to. I can just send him in the chat like, hey Rob, help me with this, and he will do his best to help me. And I wasn't lying when I said that. And with being in this, with being an entrepreneur, you need that mental support. You're gonna need some support, okay? And this is the Facebook group that provides you with that support. So as you can see, this young lady, she's had a question about MLM Gateway. MLM Gateway is a traffic platform or traffic source, because in this system you need a business, you need a marketing system, and you need a traffic source. And she's asking about one source in particular, and she says, how many signups have you gotten? And people are sharing their personal experiences with MLM Gateway, all because she's in the Facebook group and she has the opportunity to get that support that she needs. And I want to be that person that can provide you with that support as well. Okay? And just strolling down here, I want to just looking through the Facebook group. Here's the guy I was just talking about. He's still maintaining his six-figure income 2 years later, and nothing has really changed from then until now. He's still doing the same basics. He's still applying those to this day, and he's still earning a good income. And this was posted 4 days ago. Okay, and of course you have people's putting in their 2 cents, as they should, you know. And yeah, this is what this Facebook group is here. It's here for your support. It's about 4,000 people in this group. If you wish to come to this group, if you wish to join this group, inbox me on Facebook and I will add you to the group. Okay? And again, this is the same guy. He's asking, what is your biggest sticking point in your business? And people are saying, avoid distractions. Let's see what else people have said. He's a guy that you can go to for support. All right. And if you don't have a success story yet, and you're just starting out like me, do what I said before. Tell somebody else's story and find a way to put your story with their story. So yeah, and be open and be honest with people, because like I said before, people will join people that they know, like, and trust. Okay, and yeah. In the beginning, just focus on getting as much real eyeballs to your capture page as possible. And then when you feel like that you're ready to buy traffic, switch it up a little bit. Don't use this generic capture page. Create your own funnel, and then when somebody opts in, it will be a video of you talking about your story. And then after they watch your story, then they're going to say, hey, let's see what this guy is doing. Let's see what program this guy is in. And then that's when you show them your company replicated website. So your story comes first, then your offer. Not your offer, then your story. Your story has to come first. Okay? So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate you tuning into my video. All the links will be in the descriptions for the traffic sources, for the business, the marketing system, and the support for the Facebook group as well. So again, thanks for watching. My name is Devontae Graves. I will see you on the inside.